Spermatogenesis presented to you by the insolent insulins. Spermatogenesis is the process by which sperm cells form. It usually occurs in the seminiferous tubules of the testes. Ever wonder how these guys were created? Let's find out, shall we? We start off with the spermatogonium, then mitotically divides to form a daughter cell. One cell will continue to specialize into a sperm cell, while the other will remain as a stem cell. Then that primary spermatocyte will replicate its chromosomes during the S phase of the cell's life cycle. After that, it will be ready to undergo meiosis to create genetically different cells.
We start off with the primary spermatocyte in prophase 1. The nuclear membrane starts to disappear, chromosomes condense and become visible, synapsis and crossing over of the chromosomes occur, and the centriole duplicates and spindle fibers form. Next comes metaphase 1. Homologous chromosomes pair together and line up along the equator of the cell. Spindle fibers reach out and attach to the centromeres. During anaphase 1, homologous pairs are separated from each other by spindle fibers and the chromosomes are pulled to the opposite poles of the cell.
In telophase 1, the nuclear membrane forms around the chromosome. Spindle fibers disappear and cytokinesis divides the cell into two. By the end of meiosis 1, we're left with two secondary spermatocytes that are genetically different. We begin meiosis 2 with prophase 2. The nuclear envelope disappears, spindle fibers form, and chromosomes become visible. In metaphase 2, chromosomes line up single file along the equator of the cell, and spindle fibers reach out and attach to the centromeres.
Then comes anaphase 2. Sister chromatids are pulled to opposite sides of the cells by spindle fibers. Finally, in telophase 2, the nuclear membrane reforms around the chromosomes. Spindle fibers disappear, and cytokinesis divides each cell into two. That brings us to the end of meiosis 2. We're left with four genetically different spermatids, which will mature into sperm. And maybe one of these sperm will one day meet an egg and create a new life.